I was tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind and wished for a smarter way to earn money. If you also dreamed of generating revenue while you sleep, AI-powered affiliate marketing is the game changer you've been waiting for. So, what are the top AI-powered tools that you can start using right now to supercharge your affiliate marketing success? Ready to discover how I already earn massive passive income by harnessing the immense potential of affiliate marketing using AI? Here you'll see how I made over $6K in just the beginning of this journey. If you're intrigued and hungry for success, stay tuned till the end, as I'm going to reveal some proven strategies and insider tips to capitalize on this game-changing combination of affiliate marketing and AI. Let's get started. I'll show you exactly what I did. As you already know, AI has completely revolutionized the online business landscape. Now is the perfect time to take incredible money-making opportunities. The real deal is that this is the moment to turn your dreams of becoming a millionaire, or dare we say, a billionaire. In the past, affiliate marketing demanded hours of constant monitoring and optimization. But with AI automation, you can sit back and let the technology do the heavy lifting. From managing your affiliate links to analyzing performance metrics, AI streamlines every aspect of your affiliate marketing journey, freeing up your time for other pursuits and turning passive income into a true reality. Okay, now let me break down the simple yet powerful concept of affiliate marketing. It's like having your own virtual sales team without the hassle. As an affiliate, your mission is to promote products created by others, and for every successful sale you generate, you earn a commission. Simple, right? So let me share an example to help you understand it better. Imagine you're a big fan of these particular amazing headphones, right? The ultimate blend of style and high-fidelity sound. If you persuade others to make a purchase through your unique referral link, you'll earn a nice percentage of the sale. It's a win-win situation where you get rewarded for sharing your passion for great products. For instance, with those headphones valued at $300 and a commission rate of 25%, you'd make a cool $75 for every person who buys them through your link. Just 14 people joining the auditory adventure each month would mean an extra $1,000 in your pocket. Now that's some impressive math. But that's not all. Today, we're exploring the next level of affiliate marketing, powered by AI. Say goodbye to promoting physical products and say hello to the AI trend that's reshaping the online business landscape. Now, let me take you on a step-by-step journey that promises to unlock the secrets to making money online. And trust me, you won't want to miss a single beat. Our first stop is a treasure trove of cutting-edge AI tools waiting to be discovered. Head over to There's an AI for That website, a portal that updates you with the coolest new AI releases daily. Here, you'll find the Just Launched section, showcasing all the freshest AI tools right at your fingertips. Plus, there's a Most Saved section, highlighting the most popular tools around. And here's the cherry on top. You can even create an account and save your favorite AI tools for future use. Alright, now it's time to pick your treasures from the loot. We're searching for at least 5 to 10 AI tools that speak to you personally. These are the gems you believe have the potential to skyrocket your business to greatness. Whether you're drawn to the newly released wonders or the most popular picks, trust your instincts and gather your treasure list. Embrace the excitement as you set your sights on the tools that could be your key to success. Now that you've compiled your dream team of AI tools, it's time to gear up and join their affiliate programs. Now, to show you an example, I'm going to take Cody, a phenomenal free AI assistant that has the potential to rock your business. There is nothing so easy as joining an affiliate program. All you need to do is scroll to the bottom of the tool's website and look for the affiliate section. With a few clicks, you'll set sail for the affiliate dashboard, ready to chart your course to passive income. Cody offers a generous 20% recurring commission. That's right, you'll keep earning those payouts every single month, as long as the customers keep using the software. Now, let's crunch some numbers. The basic package is priced at $29 per month. If you manage to get 100 people to sign up, totally doable by the way, you're looking at a jaw-dropping $725 in passive income every month. And guess what? That's just from one AI tool. Imagine the possibilities with multiple tools in your arsenal. I tried this and now I'm enjoying the monthly passive income. Listen up, because what I'm about to say is the most important step to remember. The key to success in this affiliate marketing expedition is providing real value to your customers. Yes, the golden word is value. In the world of business, value is the ultimate currency. To make money, you must offer customers something truly valuable. And now, I'm about to show you how to do just that. As you can see on the screen, we have the incredible ScribeHow AI tool. Head over to scribehow.com. This powerful tool lets you transform any process into a captivating step-by-step guide. Imagine having a magical map that turns screenshots of your online adventures into a downloadable PDF guide for your customers to follow. As you can see right here, this is the dashboard of Scribe. Once you sign in, this is how it's pretty much going to look. And from this point, all you need to do is just sign into the program you will be promoting. So here's how it works. Let's say you want to craft a dazzling marketing email to woo an influencer into promoting a certain program, like the amazing Cody AI. With Scribe How, just hit record, let your personal assistant Cody AI work their magic, and done! Your AI assistant creates an email for you. But that's not all. Scribe How transforms your recorded journey into a valuable PDF guide, a priceless treasure for your customers. For those who are new to Cody AI or any program you promote, this guide that it has created, which you are seeing right now, is like a treasure map, leading them to navigate the software with ease. And guess what? This isn't just a cool bonus. It's a secret weapon to incentivize customers to purchase through your affiliate link. Your customers will feel like they struck gold, receiving a guide that enhances their experience with the program, and all thanks to you. Armed with the power of Scribe How, you'll stand out from the sea of affiliates, capturing the attention of customers left and right. The more value you provide, the more treasure troves you'll unearth, in the form of commission. Now, moving on to the most critical leg of our journey. I'll unveil the secrets to driving traffic to your affiliate links and making those coveted commissions. Now, there'll be many ways to get your affiliate links before your ideal customers. But today, I'm unveiling what I did in this journey that requires neither money nor a massive social media following. You don't even need to show your face online. Introducing the mighty VidIQ. Head over to vidiq.com, the ultimate tool to unearth the secrets of YouTube's vast ocean of searches and competition. With VidIQ's insight, you'll know precisely how popular a particular keyword is and the competition it faces on YouTube. Our mission is simple. Find the most lucrative keyword related to the AI tool we're promoting to target the right audience. And VidIQ is the compass that will lead us to these hidden treasures. For example, let's say you're promoting the marvelous Cody AI. With VidIQ, you'll discover the number of searches for the keyword Cody AI and the level of competition. The results are astounding. This keyword boasts a stunning 6,907 monthly searches on YouTube. But wait, the competition is high, a sign of a valuable keyword but a challenge to conquer. Fear not, for VidIQ has more to offer. There's the hidden scoop. VidIQ also reveals matching terms, suggesting alternative keywords with even more searches and lower competition. With VidIQ's Pro version, you'll have access to even more golden keywords to target and profit from. And there it is, AI Assistant. A keyword with over 10,700 monthly searches, nearly twice the size of the previous one, and with lower competition. Did you catch that, guys? This is the golden ticket. When we see a keyword with high searches but low competition, it means there is a gap in the market, and that's where we'll thrive. Imagine sailing into uncharted waters, creating a video targeting this keyword, and ranking high on YouTube, all while raking in affiliate commissions. And for those who think showing their face online is a storm they'd rather avoid, no worries. There are a lot of options. You can simply record your screen, add a voiceover, or use a text-to-speech AI voice, and walk your viewers through the wonders of the AI program you promote. That's it. Picture this. You create a video showcasing the impressive features of Cody AI using a simple screen recording and a voiceover. Your video gets uploaded to YouTube, and done. With VidIQ guiding the way, you'll rank your video atop the search results. So when viewers search for AI Assistant, they'll find your valuable video, which will be high ranking. Now, here's the treasure that sets you apart, the PDF guide you created with Scribe How. This precious document offers even more value to your viewers. You entice them with the promise of a free guide on how to use Cody AI, leading them straight to your affiliate link. They are drawn to the value you provide, and that's where you strike gold. Your video will be outstanding from the competition because you offer both a video guide and a PDF to potential customers. They'll eagerly click your link, enticed by the value you provide. And with every click, you'll sail closer to a bounty of affiliate commissions. And here's a secret. The money-making journey doesn't end there. Remember, there is a bounty of AI software waiting for you to promote on There's an AI for That. You can make multiple videos, each unlocking new streams of passive income. Remember that valuable PDF guide you created with Scribe How? That's your secret weapon. In each video's description, offer your free PDF guide, enticing viewers to click your affiliate link. Show them the value you provide with your guide, and they'll set sail with you. And here's the best part. You can outsource research and video creation to level up your business. So guys, it's time to escape the matrix. Be ahead of the competition by taking action today. Your videos will be out there guiding customers toward the trove of AI software, and you'll be raking in commissions. This video probably went by fast, so please rewatch to make sure you followed every step correctly. And remember, the key to success is swift action. Create your videos, guide your viewers, and claim your share of the bounty before the competition arrives. The affiliate commissions await those who dare to take action. Please keep in mind, making money always takes time and effort. Have fun and don't give up. Now it's your turn to take charge. Will you dare to step into this realm of AI-powered affiliate marketing and discover the potential for endless commissions? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Escaping the Matrix content. See you soon.